Dog bites occur more than any other animal bite and happen most often in the summer months, according to Health Alberta. April is Dog Bite Dog Bite Prevention Week, pardon me. And joining us with more information are Cherise and Brenda with the Northern Alberta Society for Animal Protection. It is not April, the whole month dedicated to this. It is just a week. So good morning, ladies. Thank you so much for joining us. So we were supposed to have a couple of cats in studio with us, but it's holiday Monday and they're like, I'm not getting up, okay? I'm sleeping in. Let's talk about Vinnie and Fonza first.
So Vinnie and Fonza are two boys that came to us actually from a partner pound. The family needed to euthanize them just because of life stances, and so we were able to take them into care and have them in foster care. They are brothers and their personalities are almost opposites.
It's funny because they're actually posing the same. They
look so similar, like they're bookends.
Yeah.
One is a tabby tuxedo and one's a black and white tuxedo.
Yeah.
But other than that, like honestly, if the coloring were the same, you wouldn't be able to tell them apart.
What sort of home would be a good fit for these brothers?
Honestly, they're so adaptable. Right now, they live with 3 kids. They live with mom and dad, so they're used to a busy house. They would also do well with just adults in the house. They love having people around. Fonzie is the one who wants to cuddle, loves the quiet. Vinny's all for the action, wants to be out playing with the kids and stuff like that. So they would be adaptable to honestly almost any kind of home. Right now, they don't live with any other pets, but again, with time and patience, they would be able to come around to live with other pets even.
And how old are they again?
They're 3.
3 years old. Okay,
Yes.
excellent. Let's talk about Dog Bite Prevention Week. And what is that? Yes.
Well, it's just a situation where they want everyone to know that dogs do bite, and that we need to be aware of that and be a little bit more, I guess, cognizant of the possibilities, and start reading their body language, because dogs do have body language. Even if it's just a snarl, that is part of their body language.
Okay, so besides a snarl, what other couple of signs would we look out for, especially among young children in the house?
I would look for the back of the spine to have the hackles up, and just generally staring at you like intensely. I think that would be the ultimate thing for most animals.
And of course, it is Prevention Week, right? So what are some things, what can we do to be more aware of it and prevent dog bites?
Well, I think it's really important that they have a place to go to. If they don't feel comfortable, they need a safe place. Like they go into their kennel and that's where they stay. Children are not allowed to go in the kennel with them, and not allowed to put their fingers in there. My children did that once and got nipped, and it was not a blood bite or anything like that, but it was just a warning. She was saying, my space.
For sure.
And you have to listen to that kind of stuff, and if you are preventative that way and prepared, then children and adults don't get hurt.
At what point should you call a doctor? Because there are some bites that draw blood, some that don't.
So it's definitely dependent on the severity of the bite. You do want to get any punctures kind of checked out, flush them really quickly, and make sure that like any of the saliva is out. If you're at all concerned, consult your doctor, bring them in, and stuff like that for sure.
On a side note, NASAP is celebrating 26 years, so happy birthday and congratulations, ladies. Yeah. And thank you so much for all the work you do in our communities. And thank you so much for coming in on Holiday Monday as well. For more information, you can please visit nasap.ca.